Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna do review and an unboxing of this Vantrue Cycle SD memory card. So I had purchased this from Amazon and the cost was like 63 Canadian dollars. So the reason I'm gonna use this is like I'm using Vantrue S1 dual dash cam for my car. So I had a 32 gig of memory card that I was using it, but because I have various settings enabled in my dash cam, like I use a power bank and I also record when I park somewhere in order to have parking recording as well. So I really needed a higher capacity memory card. So I first purchased Samsung EVO, but I found compatibility issues of it with my dash cam. So I contacted the Vantrue support and they told me to get this one. They also gave me some discount on this. So now I'm gonna use this. So if I read out the features, it has been like waterproof, temperature proof, magnet proof and X-ray proof. So Vantrue is a known company for dash cam and I have taken their memory card because ultimately that is my intention. I'm not gonna use it for other purposes written here like smart cam, surveillance, body cam, smartphone, tablet. I'm not gonna use it for them. So I'm gonna use it for my purpose only. But this is what it is now, guys. So I have been set a set of instructions also by the Vantrue company how to use it. But ultimate goal is to use it for um, my dash cam because my dash cam records the front and back both, front and rear both. So I needed a strong memory card where I can put more data, and my dash cam supports memory cards up to 256 gig. If they would have supported like 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, I would not have thought even once more in order to buy that, but at this moment this is the maximum capacity that is supported. So that is why I'm purchasing this. So that's it for now, guys. It looks like good and hopefully it works. Thank you, guys.